Hi, my name's Megan. Meg, May, Megan are all fine by me. I live in Absecon, New Jersey, outside of Atlantic City. I currently work for my family. We own an Irish bar, so I'm a bartender and I'm a manager. We've had our bar for about 60 years, but long term, my passion's in social work, not in restaurant work. So, all of my social work experience is through my volunteer work. I work for a nonprofit called NAMI. They're known nationally. So I'm part of the NAMI New Jersey Atlantic Cape May chapter. And for NAMI, I'm a board member. I'm a group facilitator. For people with mental illness, I run a support group. And then I teach a class called Family to Family. It's a really great program. It's free. It's 6 weeks long. We give about as much information as a 3-credit college course to family members who have loved ones who suffer from mental illness. So I'm in the middle of that right now. It's really great. It's really rewarding. And then I also work for my local women's center. We changed our name to Avanzar. So through Avanzar, I go to domestic violence court in Atlantic City, and I'm a court advocate. In New Jersey, restraining orders are very serious, and they're for life. Unlike Pennsylvania, they're only, I believe, a year in Pennsylvania. So if you want to drop your restraining order, you have to talk to me. As an advocate, I'm an ear. I'm there to listen, to make sure you're not being forced, coerced, or pressured into getting an order. I give local resources. I have a knowledge of local resources around me to give to plaintiffs or defendants. I talk to lawyers, parole officers, and I really like it. I think long term, that's what I'm leaning towards, to be a legal advocate. And then lastly, I'm both excited and really nervous to start this program at Widener. But this opportunity just appeared before me kind of out of nowhere, and I latched onto it. So I'm really excited to get to know each and every one of you. And yeah, all right, have a good weekend.